In this video, I would like to explain to all of you about how to make a steep roof and the exploration. Okay, first of all, you have to make a rectangle with any size as you want or as proportional as possible. Maybe it's around 4,000 and 3,000 millimeter for the dimension. Okay, I will show you about the dimension or approximately. You can follow this, but it's just for example anyway. Okay, for 4,000 and 3,000 millimeter. Okay, it's just for example. And then you have to select this line and select rotate it with a value 45 degree of angle, and then you can rotate it also with value 45 degree, and also you can delete the unnecessary line right here. So you will left this two line, and then you can move it and press Ctrl to duplicate it and position on this position, and this is also have to move and press Ctrl, and you can select line and connect the 5 line right here, and after that you can move this line, and then you use a move tool, and then you can move with the blue axis anyway. In this case you have to move to the steep position anyway. You can move it. Okay, as you can see, then you can make it group, and for the exploration you can move it up, and then you can maybe you can draw the line rectangle and make it group, and then you can just offset the group anyway, offset inside maybe around 450. Then you can push it down to make some illustration only. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, you can make some illustration. You can move it to the down anyway, and then you can move it to the down and also, and then you can assign a material. You can assign the material with the roof material. On this option you can assign with this material, and also you can modify the object to make some variation of the wall. You can assign with the glass material right here. I'm sorry. You can assign with the glass material anyway, just for example. Then you can make a brick material of this building anyway. So it's just for example to make a steep roof, and then we can make it group, and then we can make okay, then we can make a plane to make a landscape area. Maybe we can adjust and select maybe we can adjust it for the first, and then we can adjust the outside landscape with grass material. Okay, then we can adjust the deck with this material, and we can add component. To make more representative about the atmosphere of the environment of it. We can make tree material right here, and we can adjust it just a little bit, and then we can set the color with the green material of the tree, so it will be more representative enough, and we can duplicate it to the another position anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Anyway, I focus on this roof actually to explain how to make a steep roof, as I said for the first video, for the first part of this video, and then I hope it will be benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.